Are you looking for best mini OTDR tester? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best mini OTDR tester. Number 1. OFW Mini OTDR Tester. OFW Mini OTDR Optical Reflector Active Fiber Live Tester 1550 nanometers 20 dB Optical Reflectometer Touch Screen OPM VFL IOLA. Support active live fiber test as it uses advanced wavelength isolation technology. Mini but comprehensive and powerful. OTDR/OPM/VFL/OLS/event map, optional, /LED built in one body. Excellent battery life. Suitable for long-term outdoor work with lithium battery of 2000 mAh capacity. Professional. OFW company is made of high quality materials, which can be used with confidence. It has excellent performance in using. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2. OMTiG Mini OTDR Active Fiber Tester. OMTiG Mini OTDR Active Fiber Live Test 1550 nanometers 20 dB OFW Optical Reflectometer Touchscreen OPM OLS VFL Tester SC Connector. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Mini OTDR Active Fiber Live Test. 5G Mini OTDR Active Fiber Live Test 1550 nanometers 20 dB Optical Fiber Reflectometer Touchscreen OPM VFL OLS Fiber Tester SC Connector. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 4. Mini Optical Fiber Reflectometer. OFW Mini OTDR Active Fiber Live Test 1550 nanometers 20 dB Optical Fiber Reflectometer Touchscreen OPM VFL OLS Fiber Tester SC Connector. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Mini FTTH Active Fiber OTDR. Portuguese Mini FTTH Active Fiber OTDR with Optical Power Meter Stable Light Source VFL Multifunction Fiber OMTiG Tester. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.